In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable and manage your clipboard for the keyboard on your Xiaomi Pad 5. So in order to do that, you'll need to open any app that allows your keyboard to pop up. For this example, I will use Notes. Press on the plus and you can see the keyboard right here. Now we're going to navigate to the clipboard icon, which is located right here. Press on it and now turn on the clipboard, just like that. Now your clipboard is enabled and you can do multiple things with it. Like for example, add any words or sentences to it. So I'm gonna use the word elephant right now. Select the word, press copy. Now go back to our clipboard and you can see the recent word that I've just added. And you can paste it multiple times and also do it with full sentences, just like that. And now if you want to delete something here, you will need to press on this pen and select the words or sentences you want to delete and press on the trash icon. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.